Hey beauties, welcome to my channel. Today I'm super excited to unbox and review the Bryan and Candy Strawberry Bathtub Essentials gift set, a 4-piece 100% vegan spa kit designed for women and men, perfect for Women's Day, birthdays, anniversaries, or just treating yourself to a luxurious home spa experience. It includes a 300 ml shower gel, 125 ml hand and body lotion, 100 gallon sugar scrub, and 100 gallon body polish, all infused with the juicy scent of strawberries and nourishing shea butter. Let's see if it's as indulgent as it sounds. First up, the packaging. It's adorable. Shipped by Bryan and Candy on Amazon. It arrived in a cute plastic bathtub-shaped jar that's reusable for bathroom storage per web reviews. So chic and gift-ready. No wrapping needed. Starting with the shower gel. I poured a drop onto my loofah and it lathered into a rich foam. The strawberry fragrance is fresh and fruity, not medicinal like some Amazon reviewers feared. Per beauty and lifestyle mantra, it's aloe vera infused and non-drying. My skin felt clean and soft. A little goes a long way. Next, the hand and body lotion. I applied it post-shower and it's lightweight and non-sticky. Enriched with essential oils per Bryan and Candy's site, it sank in fast and kept my skin hydrated for hours. The scent lingers subtly. Amazon users love its moisturizing power. The sugar scrub, I massaged it on damp skin and it exfoliated gently. Per web details, it evens skin tone and brightens. My skin felt polished and smooth, not harsh at all. The body polish, its microbeads are super fine. I used it daily and it cleared my pores without irritation, left my skin glowing. This set's vegan, SLS, and paraben-free with a skin-friendly pH 5.5. Not cheap at 1280 rupees on Amazon, but worth it for the quality. Ideal for all skin types. Want more? Stay tuned for my next video with a spa routine. If you're loving this, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment. Tell me what you think or what's next. Maybe a gift.